It was very interesting. Especially I liked the very hands-on communication. So they asked real questions about their products, where they come from. They shared their current pain points in finding the right market and the right product.
And I really liked that they were very interactive and asked questions. And then we were already able to iterate and also talk about their ideas, which was really cool that it was so interactive.
You have to be in the position to know yourself, know what drives you, and be progressive and make progress in order to make an impact in the world. And this is why we're doing this, and both in Switzerland, here in Vienna, at the African Doctoral Academy, at Stanford, we're really pushing people to reflect about their practices, and do better research in order to have an impact in the world.
It was really nice to see researchers that are really passionate about what they are doing, but also they are passionate about taking the research out there and making a difference in society.
And also the clarity with which they're thinking about their idea and how they might take it forward, what sort of industry partners they might choose, and also the way that they would take it forward with that industry partner I thought was really advanced.
We have today had a discussion on partnership negotiations, and there is an upcoming one on investors negotiations. Still, negotiation techniques are important in everyday life. I have this in my family, I have this with employees. This is everywhere.
I think it's very important to have those kind of information events to make people aware of that Austria has a lot to offer for entrepreneurs now.
I think it's very important because also from an investor perspective, it's very interesting to get closer to the students, to understand where they stand, and obviously also being able to support them.
Universities is where innovation happens, where a lot of young people, also more experienced people, work on really exciting projects and topics that could be breakthrough technologies and businesses around them for the future. Things that we need in Europe, that we need in Austria. So really getting people from the universities and offering them something there is essential, and I think it's great, and that's why I like supporting it.
I think it's a must-have. I think we don't need to discuss about that. It has to be, it's very important, especially at the technological universities, to reach out to the students and motivate them to get entrepreneurs. This kind of culture in Austria should really get more energy into it and more develop more, so it's great what you're doing.
It's a tremendous group of people who supply their knowledge and experience in this organization. So it's a thumbs up, it's a real recommendation.